First things first, you need to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. While your oven is warming up, take 2 large sweet potatoes and peel them. Once they're nice and smooth, cut them into 1-inch thick rounds. Next up, take a baking sheet and grease it. This will ensure your sweet potato bites won't stick to the pan. Once that's done, arrange your sweet potato rounds in a single layer on the sheet. Sprinkle each sweet potato round with brown sugar. That's right, brown sugar. It adds a delicious caramelized flavor that pairs perfectly with the sweetness of the potato. But we're not done yet. The final touch? Mini marshmallows. Place about 3 to 4 of these on top of each sweet potato round. The marshmallows will melt and create a deliciously gooey topping that's absolutely irresistible. Pop your baking sheet into your preheated oven and let it do its thing. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll know they're done when the sweet potatoes are tender and the marshmallows are lightly browned and bubbly. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.